Hello children, today we are going to see chapter number 1, type C, question number 3. Here the question is, write a program that calculates and print the number of seconds in a year. Okay, the question given is, we have to calculate number of seconds in a year. So first we should check number of seconds in a day, then we can find out number of seconds in a year. One day if you are able to calculate, then we can find out for the year which has 365 days, otherwise if it is a leap year means 366 days. So one day, how many seconds you have? One day equal to 60 into 60 into 24, that is 1 minute equal to 60 seconds and 1 hour equal to 60 into 60 seconds. Then for 24 hours, 60 into 60 into 24, that is for one day. Okay, now we have to calculate it for year, that is 365 days and 366 days. So here the given, what is the input here, we should get the year from the user. Okay, let us start the program. We have to get the year from the user. So now I am getting the year from the user, input of, enter the year. So here there is a two possibility of year. One, it may be a leap year, otherwise a normal year will be there. That is 365 days and 366 days. So it has to, whatever logic you are writing, it has to find out for 2 years. Two possible combination, input combination will be there. So for those two possible input combination, we have to write the logic. Okay. So here I am using checking condition. Logic loop is if. Okay. If year. So how we will be able to find out whether it's a leap year or not? If the year is divisible by 4, okay, the year is divisible by 4, then it is a leap year. Otherwise it is a normal year. Okay. So now I am using the condition here, year modulus 4 equal to 0. Then what it shows, it is a leap year. Okay. So number of seconds equal to 60. Okay, 60 into 24. This is one day. How many number of seconds? Here we have to calculate it for 366 days because it is a leap year. So 366. Okay. Then it has to print number of second. Okay. Then else what it has to do, it has to calculate it for 365 days equal to 60 into 60 into 24 into 365. Then it has to print. Okay, so here we have to get the input from the user. Then for finding that there is an input, there will be a two input combinations. One may be a leap year, other may be a normal year. So then we have to check whether the given input is leap year or a normal year. For checking the leap year or not, we have used year modulus 4. Then else it is a normal year, there is no condition. So for finding the number of seconds, okay, we are using 60 into 60 into, this is a calculation part. This is general for everything. It is for finding the number of seconds per day, per year. This is general. 60 into 60 into 24 into 366. That is 60 into 60 into 24 is for per day number of seconds. Then into 366 you will be able to find it for a number of seconds in a year. Now we have to save this. Now executing. So it is asking for a year. Now I am giving 2020. So it is showing that 316 number of seconds. So here in this we can change it like number of seconds. Then here also we can change number of seconds. Okay. Then in the output it will show the same thing. So 20, 21 if we are giving, it is showing error, number of sec is not defined. Okay. Okay, here I have done a mistake here. So 0 it should come, O it should come, number of seconds. So now I am executing Alt-R, same here I am giving now. So it is showing that 3153600 is a normal number of seconds. In this 2021 you have this much number of seconds. Thank you children.